Hey guys, today we're going to start a new series about Proverbs. In my language studies of Japanese, Arabic, and even a little bit of French, Proverbs are like these little pearls of wisdom. They're easy to memorize and they bring a lot of value to your life. Today, our first proverb is from Japanese and it goes like this. Nanakorobi yaoki. Nanakorobi yaoki. Nanakorobi yaoki. So what that means is 7 times nana, korobi, fall down, 8, oki, get up. In English, we have variations like this, but I've only really heard it in judo clubs. In English, they'll say something like fall 1,000 times, get up 1,001. The spirit of the phrase is obvious. Don't stay down. Life is definitely gonna kick you down a couple times, and the key is not to stay down, you get up. So if you fall 7 times, you get up 8. That's our proverb for today. I'm Shree from Culture Toronto, and I'll see you next time. Peace.